A video for you. Here's my boo, she's on the telephone. Quick, talking to me, give me a hard dick. Oh, it's just the thing she do to me. She gives me a motherfucking woody. Oh my god, I cannot take it. It feels so hard, like I can break it. It gets stiff in the morning too. I can't fall out of bed. Have you noticed you? Here we go now. How'd that affect on me? Bitch, don't you know your breath on me, your breath on me, your chest on me, and all the motherfucking rest on me? It makes me feel complete and shit. My phone is beeping on the other line. It's Jeremy and shit. Let me hold on for a second, boo, while I fucking put you on hold and answer this shit, yo. Okay. Yo, nigga. I'm making some videos for YouTube. How the fuck I can get down? Yeah. Where you?